Greetings people, Paul Mucker here. Today is February 7, 2012 at 11:02 p.m. Eastern Time. Now people, and what is it? January 17, 2012, right? I uploaded this video. Breaking news, 1/17/12. Nibiru vortices weak path of destruction and USA Iromi stronghold. And I get a lot of criticism. I can understand that, right? But what I can't understand is why, if these people, right, these same people, right, believe in their gods, right, believe in their God and their Bible and their Jesus Christ, right, believe in Revelation and all that stuff, right, and when they see it take place, it's hard for them to accept it. They call me nigger, dirty nigger, all kind of name, effing nigger. Man, I got 102 comments, and of those 102, more than 80 of them, I'm sure, is disrespect. And I laugh because one guy in here, his name is Ram the Realist. Here especially, he's a jealous bastard. Oh, you sit on weather channel, watch the weather channel and think it's controlling the weather. I have never said I control the weather. Can I control the weather? No, I can't control the weather, but I bet I can influence it. No man can control the weather, but if you're righteous in your heart and you're pure, you could influence the weather. You could influence it. If you're in harmony with the weather, if you're in harmony with nature and with the Almighty Himself, you could influence the weather. Okay? And here's the proof. And July 23rd, 2012, I was very angry. Very angry. And when I even panicked at once. And the sky opened up. It started thundering and lightning, and I'm going to show you all the proof. Because while I was there, I started playing a song, one of my videos on YouTube, a chapter there by Jacob Killamilla. I started playing that video. And people, what you're going to see, right? You're going to hear the music playing on my computer, on my YouTube channel. And the storm outside gonna synchronize exactly, perfectly with the music. You are gonna see the lightning gonna strike. Matter of fact, I'm gonna impose the YouTube video in the middle, but I'm gonna disable the sound and let this natural sound play. And you could tell it's a recording because the music, it doesn't have the bass. It's more like treble. So here's the proof. Can I control the weather? No. But I could influence it. Here's the proof. And you are going to see at the end, people, that when the song stops, before the song stops, you're going to hear like a popping sound. That's a microburst. And you're going to see then the electricity going to be knocked out. That microburst going to knock electricity out. You're going to hear pop, then the song going to stop. Okay?
This was a rough day for passengers.
It's my anger. That's my anger. Well, I'll say forward. If I will upset. Oh yeah, oh. It's only in Brockton, right? Yeah. It's my anger. That's my. No, I'm not mean. I'm not. Y'all are mean. Isn't it my way? Isn't it my way which are fair, and your ways which are not, said the Lord? Therefore, I will judge you. No, not you. The government, not the people. The people doesn't know. It's the government. All right, I gotta run. Okay. Okay, bye. That's where I live, people. That's where I live at. Okay? That's where the storm is at, okay? My anger. That's about 0.6 inches in diameter in terms of the hailstone that
might be coming out of the storm right here.
My anger.
Down toward Bridgewater. Now you take a little bit of a closer view, or a wider view, I should say. Hanson over toward Hanover. The warning does include you, so this storm continues to move on.
That's where I live, people, right there.
30 miles per hour.
See the center, that's the epicenter of the storm. My house. Okay? Let me show you all something, okay? Okay? You see, that's where the electromagnetic storm are coming from, okay? My roof, okay? Not by power nor by might, but by my spirit, said the Lord of hosts. My anger. Anger. I've held my peace for a long time, said the Lord of hosts. Now I shall be like a woman in labor. I shall heave and pant at once. I've held my peace for a long time, said the Lord of hosts. I've held my peace for a long time. You all keep pissing me off. Now I shall be like a woman in labor. I shall heave and pant at once. Earthquake in diverse places. Thunderstorms. Tornadoes. Heat waves. I shall heave and pant at once like a woman in labor. I've held my peace for a long time, said the Lord of hosts. I've held my peace for a long time. Now I shall roar like a lion from Zion. And out of my mouth shall proceed a sharp two-edged sword. I shall not restrain you, my Lord. It would be nice if you march up to Washington, D.C. right on the White House. That would be nice. But later for that, okay? Later for that. Save the best for last. The White House, the Vatican, and Buckingham Palace. Save those for last. The harder they come, the harder they're going to fall. I've held my peace for a long time, said the Lord of hosts. Now I shall be like a woman in labor. I shall heave and pant at once. Feel my fire. Not by power nor by might, but by my spirit, said the Lord of hosts. my anger. I'm angry.
Rise every day now. Rise and guide that people through this struggle, this struggle, this struggle, this struggle. Kings and kings and lords of lords and
What, people, did you all see that real bright one? I was outside, right? I was outside when it struck. That was beautiful.
With a potential for wind gusts past 60 miles per hour, certainly that could cause some power outages and some downed trees, as well as the possibility of hail. We have seen some hail reports earlier this morning.
We're not finished yet.
Some of these storms rolling on in. Look at all the
We're not finished yet.
You can see across the board here, the flashing white. Those are cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. That's not even counting the cloud-to-cloud lightning strikes out there. So there's a tremendous amount of lightning and heavy rain with this storm. You take a little bit of a closer look, and not only does it go into the Brockton area, but it does fade back.